Cendre Home is marketed as a home decor brand offering stylish furniture, decorative pieces, and modern home accessories at attractive prices. The website creates the impression of a premium home decor boutique. But the real question is, can you actually trust this brand? Now, to be fair, not every online home decor store is automatically unreliable. Some newer brands are legitimate businesses that are still building their reputation. What it does well: stylish product selection. The furniture and decor are presented with a modern, premium aesthetic. Professional-looking website. A polished online store makes browsing simple and enjoyable, where the concerns start appearing. A polished website doesn't guarantee reliability. This is the biggest issue. Professional branding alone isn't proof of product quality or customer service. Product photos may not match reality. Marketing images can differ from the actual items received. Independent reputation may be limited. With fewer verified customer experiences, it's harder to judge consistency. So, can you trust Cendre Home? Short answer: proceed carefully. There may not be enough evidence to label it fake, but you shouldn't rely solely on the website's appearance or discounts. Check independent customer reviews and use a payment method with buyer protection before ordering. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.